Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ORG Cars. In a remarkable fusion of classic design and modern engineering, Boreham Motorworks, in collaboration with Ford Motor Company, has unveiled the 2025 Ford Escort Mk1 RS Continumod. This limited edition vehicle pays homage to the iconic Mk1 Escort RS, seamlessly blending its timeless aesthetics with contemporary performance and technology. Design and exterior. The 2025 Escort Mk1 RS Continumod captures the essence of the original 1970s model, featuring the distinctive boxy silhouette and round headlamps that enthusiasts have cherished for decades. Boreham Motorworks has meticulously crafted the body using reinforced steel, incorporating additional bracing and vertical rear dampers to enhance structural integrity. The exterior is adorned with period-correct details, including chrome accents and classic badging, while subtle modern touches, such as advanced aerodynamic elements, ensure improved performance without compromising the car's vintage charm. Chassis and suspension. Underpinning the Mk1 RS Continumod is a chassis engineered for dynamic precision. The front suspension employs a McPherson strut system, renowned for its balance of comfort and handling prowess. At the rear, a lightweight aluminum titanium axle works in harmony with optimized suspension geometry, delivering exceptional road-holding capabilities. This setup ensures that drivers experience a harmonious blend of agility and stability, whether navigating tight corners or cruising on open highways. Braking system. Safety and performance are paramount in the design of the braking system. The Mk1 RS Continumod is equipped with high-performance vented disc brakes on all four corners, paired with multi-piston calipers. This configuration provides robust and consistent stopping power, allowing drivers to confidently harness the car's performance potential. The absence of modern driver aids such as ABS and traction control emphasizes a pure, unfiltered driving experience, demanding and rewarding skilled driver input. Interior and features. Stepping inside the Mk1 RS Continumod reveals a cabin that artfully balances retro aesthetics with modern functionality. The interior features classic design elements, including analog gauges and a minimalist dashboard layout, evoking the spirit of the original Mk1 Escort. High-quality materials, such as premium leather upholstery and brushed aluminium trim, elevate the tactile experience. While the focus remains on driving purity, essential modern conveniences are thoughtfully integrated, ensuring comfort without detracting from the car's authentic character. Production and pricing. Boreham Motorworks has announced a limited production run of just 150 units for the 2025 Ford Escort Mk1 RS Continumod, ensuring exclusivity for discerning enthusiasts. Each vehicle is meticulously hand-built from the ground up, eschewing donor cars in favor of all-new construction. This approach allows for precise quality control and the incorporation of modern manufacturing techniques. Pricing for the Mk1 RS Continumod starts at £295,000, reflecting the bespoke nature of the build and the integration of advanced engineering solutions. Production is slated to commence in the third quarter of 2025. With each car receiving an official continuation chassis number, further cementing its status as a modern classic. Conclusion. The 2025 Ford Escort Mk1 RS Continumod stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of classic automotive design, thoughtfully reimagined for the contemporary enthusiast. Through the collaboration of Boreham Motorworks and Ford Motor Company, this limited edition vehicle offers a unique opportunity to experience the charm and character of the original Mk1 Escort RS, enhanced by modern performance and engineering excellence. For a visual overview of the 2025 Ford Escort Mk1 RS Continumod, including detailed insights into its main components and design philosophy, you can watch the following video.